What's up guys, how are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel, y'all. Okay guys, so in today's video I want to show you a very different way to get rid of your ham fats using pepper, like using bell pepper. Okay, green bell pepper, you don't need to use the red one. Green bell pepper is perfect. Now if you've actually been looking for a solution on how to remove your ham fat, sagginess of hands and all of that, and you've actually not find one, well, you are at the right video, because this remedy is going to help you a whole lot. You're gonna see me drink it. I'm gonna be telling you how it tastes and all of that, and how you're gonna preserve it, keep it, drink it, everything. So do watch this video to the end to get all of the full gist. And for the very first ingredients, I'm gonna be needing pepper, green bell pepper. Okay, so do not worry, we're not using too much of ingredients in this particular one. We're using just few ingredients, which is just three ingredients alone is what we're actually using for this particular one. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be washing it, because you know some people actually bash me so much when it comes to, oh, you didn't wash your fruits, oh, you didn't wash your vegetables. But most of the time I wash these things off the camera. I might not show you how when I washed it, but I do wash them off the camera. So you don't need the seed in this one, yeah, so do not actually worry about the seed, because you don't need it. So I'm going to be cutting it into tiny pieces. And then we are going to be getting a blender, transferring that into a blender. Hot one. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient is cucumber. Now cucumber is a whole lot of nutrients when it comes to removing fat, flushing out your colon and staying healthy. Cucumber helps you improve your skin and reduce the fat cells in your body, literally. So I have a half cut of cucumber here. Anyways, I'm not even gonna be taking too much, so just a cut of the cucumber is gonna be perfect. And I'll equally love to just wash it. Yeah, alright. So after cutting that, then I'll have to be transferring that into this is it. So we're equally going to be making use of orange, guys. Now if you want to stay healthy and reduce fat constantly in your body and permanently, you would have to increase your habit of taking orange. Yeah, so because orange contains a whole lot of ingredients that helps your skin and your body, literally. So I'm actually gonna be squeezing out my orange into this bowl. So you can take as much orange as you possibly can, okay? It mustn't be just one, just like me. Take as much orange as you possibly can, and it's going to help you. Okay, so I'm actually going to be keeping this aside first. Then I'm going to be putting in water into my cooking bar. So it, okay guys, so now we'll have to blend it. Alright, so that is done, and then we're going to be sieving out the juice. Okay guys, so now we'll have to be getting a cup. We pour in the juice, and then we'll equally sieve in the orange juice. So this is ready, and this is actually helpful for your ham fat. Let me have a take of this, okay? Alright guys, so here is my ham fat pepper juice. This is how it looks like. It looks pretty good, and it also, it has, although it has a kind of tasteless taste, yeah. And for this particular one, you can actually store it in your refrigerator, yeah, and then you can keep it for like, you can store it in a jug or a jar, okay, and then it's actually gonna be, and then it's actually gonna be your early morning drink. So you drink it very early in the morning and you drink it late in the night, okay? But if you don't want to sieve out the chaff, because I know some of you guys are going to be like, oh, you're throwing away the real nutrient, which is the chaff, okay? You can also drink it with chaff, but for me, I'm gonna be, I love drinking it this way, you know, the juicy form. Yeah, okay, so I'm not gonna be drinking it so much, because for now I don't want to reduce weight, because I don't want my baby to reduce weight too, okay? So this is an healthy fat removal drink, so you go give this a go, give this a try, and you're going to be loving how this is going to be working on your, you know, your fat hands. And it's not only for the fat on your hands, it can literally reduce the fat on your face. It's not for pregnant women. Well, for me, I'm just tasting it, but if you've actually, you know, giving birth and you want to go down drastically, you can still take this and enjoy, okay? So that's it. Do thumbs this video up, subscribe and share, and then I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys, and cheers.